Good morning, children. Science subject for 3rd class. Nana, previous class what we discussed? We discussed about the beaks and claws of birds. Lesson already we have completed, Nana. So today we look into the big part. So all of you open page number, textbook page number 42, 43 and 44. So these big part we will see in the textbook itself only, Nana. Okay, na? Okay, Nana. Now bit part we will see. Second bit match the followings. Okay, Nana. First bit we have the question answers. Second bit match the following. So match the followings here. Now what he has given, Nana? Short, hot and horny beak. Short, hard and horny beak. Hard, sharp and curved beak. Hooked beak. Slightly curved. Straw-like thin beak. Flat beak. Pincer beak. Okay, Nana. Here the type of beaks he has given. So here he has given the names, Nana. So what the type of beak we have to find out, and we have to find out the correct bird name. So what the type of beak they have. Okay, Nana. So now we are not a small children to draw the lines. So we have to take the brackets. In the brackets only we have to write down. Okay, Nana. See. Okay, na? Now first tell me, Nana. Short, hard and horny beak. Which bird will have the short, hard and horny beak, Nana? Which bird will have? Yes, weaver bird. Kada? Weaver bird. So weaver bird is which Nana? 6th one. So 6 number you have to put it here. Okay, na? Next, hard, sharp and curved beak. Hard, sharp and curved beak is what, Nana? Yes, hard, sharp and curved beak is the hawk. Hawk is in which one, Nana? 4th one. So write on the 4th number. Okay, na? Next, hooked beak. Hooked beak means what, Nana? Which bird will have the hooked beak? Tell me. Yes, parrot. Kada, where is the parrot? 5th one. So write on the 5 now here. Okay, next, slightly curved straw-like thin beak. Slightly curved straw-like beak is what, Nana? Which is the bird? Yes, sunbird. That is the 3rd one. So write on the 3rd number here. Okay, na? Flat beak. Which bird will have the flat beak, Nana? Yes, duck. Duck will have the flat beak. So number 1 you have to write on here. Next, pincer beak. Which bird will have the pincer beak, Nana? What left over last one? Hoppy. That is the 2nd one you have to write down. So like that you have to do the match the followings, Nana. Okay, na? Okay, Nana. 3rd bit also is what, Nana? Match the following. 2nd bit is also match the following. 3rd bit is also match the following. In 2nd bit he asked about the beaks. Now he is asking about the claws. Okay, Nana. Claws means what? You already learned now. Yes, feet. So percher, swimmer, wader, scratcher, climber, bird of prey. Okay, Nana. So who is the percher here? Which bird is this percher? Yes, sparrow and pigeon are the percher. So can you draw lines, Nana? No, you are not a small children to draw the lines now. So compulsory we have to write it down on the brackets itself only. Okay, na? Now percher is what, Nana? Which bird is a percher bird? Sparrow and pigeon. Sparrow and pigeon are in which line, Nana? Yes, 5th one. So write on the number 5 there. Okay, na? Next one is what? Swimmer. Next one is what, Nana? Swimmer. Swimmer, which bird is a swimmer, Nana? Yes, duck and pelican is the swimmer. So write down 6 here. Okay, na? Wader. Wader is what, Nana? Which is the wader bird? Great and heron is the wader. So which is the 5th? What is it, Nana? 4th one. Write on the 4th one here. Scratcher. Which is the scratcher, Nana? Hen and peacock are the scratchers. Yes or no, children? So write down 1 here. So climber. Climber. Which is the climber, Nana? Which bird will climb? Yes. Climber is what, Nana? Parrot and the woodpecker. Parrot and woodpecker are the climbers. So write down 2 number here. Bird of prey. Yes. Bird of prey is what, Nana? Vulture and the eagle are the bird of prey. So like that you have to do the match the followings. Okay, na? Nana, next 4th bit you see, Nana, identify the birds by looking at the beaks. Identify the birds by looking at the beaks. Here different types of birds they are given, Nana. So you have to identify the bird beak. You have to identify the bird's beak and you have to write down the that bird name you have to write down. So this I am giving it as homework for you. You can do it very easily. You only should do it compulsory. Okay na? I'll explain now. And homework you do it as homework only. Okay na? So what is that, Nana? See how is the beak? Hard and short, hard and curved. So which is the bird, Nana? What is that bird, Nana? Tell me. Yes, eagle. This is a eagle. So write down the eagle name here. So what is this, Nana? Soft, short and soft, sticky beak. What is that? Swallow. Yes or no, children? What is that? This is a parrot. Yes or no, children? This is a flat beak. Flat beak means what, Nana? Duck. Okay, na? This is what, Nana? Long beak. Sharp and long beak. This is what? Woodpecker. Yes or no, children? Woodpecker. Next, what is this, Nana? Hummingbird. Long beak. This is a hummingbird. What is this? Owl. Owl name you write down. Next one is what, Nana? Pigeon. Okay, na? These names you have to write down by your own itself. Okay, na? I am giving it as homework. Okay, Nana. Now fifth bit. Pick out the odd one from each group. Pick out the odd one from each group. Here, Nana, what he has given? Crow, parrot, sparrow, pigeon. So in these 4 birds names, we have to pick out the different bird. How can you find out, Nana? Tell me, Nana. Crow, parrot, sparrow, pigeon. Crow, sparrow and pigeon are what, Nana? Perching birds. Avuna kada? Crow, sparrow, pigeon entivi perching birds. Whereas parrot is what, Nana? Climber. Parrot is what? Climber. So we have to circle for parrot because this is only the different bird. Yes or no, children? These 3 are the perching birds and parrot is a climber. So this is the different word property. So we are circling for the parrot. Next one you see, Nana. Vulture, duck, owl, eagle. Vulture, duck, owl, eagle. Tell me, vulture, owl and eagle are what, Nana? Birds of prey. These 3 are the birds of prey. Whereas duck is what, Nana? Swimmer. Avuna kada? Duck is a swimming bird. Yes or no, children? Yes. Next, hen, peacock, myna and peahen. Hen, peacock, myna and peahen. In this, which is the different one, Nana? Tell me. Yes. Hen, peacock and peahen are the scratchers. Yes or no, children? Yes. Hen, peacock and peahen are the scratchers. Whereas myna is a nutcracker. Avuna kada? Myna is a nutcrackers. Nuts ni crack chestunnadi. So myna is the different one here. Now tell me, Nana. Woodpecker, hopi, eagle. Woodpecker, hopi and eagle. In this which is the different one? And woodpecker and hopi are the pincer beak. These 2 are the pincer beaks. And whereas eagle is a flesh eater. Eagle is a flesh eater. So eagle is the different one. Okay, na? Now even, Nana. Duck, pelican, crow, swan. In this which is the different one, Nana? Duck, pelican and swan are the swimming birds. Yes or no, children? These 3 are the swimmers. Whereas crow is what, Nana? Crow is a perching bird. So this is the odd one. So like that, odd ones we have to circle it out. Okay, na? Next bit. Next bit you see, Nana. What is the next bit? 6th bit. Look at the toes and name the kind of birds. Look at the toes and name the kind of bird. This is also homework I am giving, Nana. You have to compulsory see the textbook, read the textbook and then only you have to write down. Okay, if I go on writing, giving all the bits means you are not at all reading it properly, lessons. So because of that, you have to read the lesson, you have to find out and you have to write down the answers here. Okay, na? These are the birds of claws. Okay, na? You find out and write down the answers. Okay, na? Next. Tick the right answer, na? Tick the right answer. Okay, first one, Nana. The short, hard and horny beak is a feature of. So, which bird will have the short, hard and horny beak, Nana? Sparrow, pigeon, peacock or all the above? Yes, sparrow, pigeon, peacock. These 3 have the short, hard and horny beak. So, what is the correct answer, Nana? All the above is the correct answer. Next you see, Nana. Second one you see. The beak of vulture is. The beak of vulture is how, Nana? Short and hard and sharp, curved, broad. Yes, The beak of the vulture is hard and sharp and curved. So second one and third one are the correct. Okay, Nana? Yes. Next one you see, Nana. The kingfisher has a long beak for catching. The kingfisher has a long beak for catching what, Nana? Insects, worms, fish, all the above. Yes, the kingfisher has a long beak for catching fish. So tick it for the fish. Next, the dash are the perching birds. Which is the perching bird, Nana? Here see, pigeon, sparrow, crow, all the above. Yes, which are the perching birds, Nana? Yes, pigeon, sparrow and crow. Three are the perching birds. So all the above is the correct answer. E1. Wading birds have dash spread out toes in the front. How many toes did it have, Nana? Front. How many toes did it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So wading birds have 3 spread out toes in the front. It has the 3 spread out toes in the front. Okay, na? Nana, here we have the Nana hot questions. Who am I? Okay, Nana, who am I? This bit also you do it as homework only. If you read the lesson thoroughly and perfectly, you will get the answers. Okay, na? This is also I am giving as a homework. You have to do the work by your own. Okay, Nana? Yes.